Mastering English. Prepositions of Purpose Made Easy. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a very important aspect of English grammar, prepositions of purpose. In this video, we're going to define what they are, give you examples, and guide you on how to use them correctly. So, buckle up and let's make English easy. Prepositions of purpose are prepositions that we use to explain why we do something. They can really enhance the clarity of your sentences and show the cause-effect relationships in what you're saying. Some common prepositions of purpose include for, in order to, and so that. Let's look at them in more detail. The word for is one of the most common prepositions of purpose. It often precedes a noun or a verb ing form. For example, I bought this book for studying English. She went to the supermarket for milk. The word for in these sentences is used to explain why these actions were done. The phrases in order to and so that are also prepositions of purpose, and they're usually used with a verb. They're more formal, and we often use them in written English. For example, I woke up early in order to catch the train. She saves money so that she can buy a new car. Notice that the actions, waking up early, saving money, are being done with a particular purpose: catching the train, buying a new car. Now, it's time to practice what you've learned. I'll give you some sentences, and you can think about how to add a preposition of purpose. 1. He is studying, blank, pass his exams. 2. They are saving money, blank, buy a house. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of using prepositions of purpose in English. Remember, these are powerful tools that can help you express your ideas more clearly and effectively. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons like this. Until next time, keep learning, and stay curious.